Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a reveal video, and this is for my Halloween group swap, and it was a loaded pocket. It could be a pocket, a tag, a loaded envelope, like a little one, you know, nothing too crazy. It needed to have one embellishment, one handmade bow, one sequin mix, and 10 die cuts, and then also one like surprise item that they can make, like a little thing, or maybe like a store-bought, like put a pack of stickers in there, something like that. Stay tuned for all of the videos to come, and I might combine videos together if the videos aren't too long. This entry is from Anne. She's Crafty Kimchi on Instagram and on YouTube, and look how fun. She made some like file folders, something so cute. But even the inside, yes, boo. And I needed some of these glitter balls for my sale. Hollow balls, fun mix. You did go ahead and make 4. Oh, I'm gonna eat the one with the candy because I don't see candy in the other ones. So I'm gonna eat that one. Oh, you know what? I think she said something about orange. Shoot. Orange one is mine, and I love this ribbon. I don't know what material it is, but it's very, almost, it feels like vintagey, like fabric-y. I don't know how to describe it. Super fun shred that I will be adding back to that package so I can have a whole mix ready to roll. Ooh, Russell Stover caramel milk chocolate. I'm gonna eat that. Look how cute. Spooky treats made by Crafty Kimchi. I love the mica mist on this is just so shimmery, and I brought this paper to life. I love this orange paper. I just love it. You know, I love everything. Look at the cute little spider. She's got her dangle little pumpkin hanging right there. Yes, look at this little vintage girl holding the pumpkin. Says Eek. I love this little, like, I think she made a Christmas version like this, and they were so cute. Little spider and Boo, the Joannes. Look at these brads on here, so perfect. Seriously, it's a functioning file folder, you guys. The pink Velcro dots, yes, says Tony. And oh, this one just opens right on up, so you can get your stuff out without having to, like, you know, bend stuff. Oh, I like that. Okay, so her first pocket is a sequin mix, which is gorgeous. I love the pink splatter webs in there. Ooh, those big hollow stars. I like those. Such a pretty mix. Okay, let me put this back in here. Next, ooh, she's included. These are her stickers. Look at the cute little puffy Target stickers, you guys. These are so perfect for embellishing. They are so cute. And then this guy, oh my, boo. Look at this chunky monkey. Awesome embellishment. Wow. Look at this cauldron. Look at that mix in there with the little pink ghosties. It says Witch's Brew. She added all of this up on Dimension. The little clear drops on here. Loving it. It says Trick or Treat, like a little banner. What paper is this? It's like very fabric-y feeling. I love the little broom. She's got ribbon. Oh, there's even a star back here. There's a circle, a doily, all layered up. Chunky little charm shaped like a candy right here. So cute. And again, she sprayed just regular black paper. It looks so good with that Nuvo mica mist. The only downfall of the mica mist is it's a you know what to clean out that nozzle, so you better rinse it right away. But I love like the torn edge look. I wonder if that's a dye. Oh my gosh, so awesome. Okay, and then this one, her little bow. Ooh. And did you spray this bag with mica mist? It's like, I swear it's glimmery and so pretty. Wow. Boo, where'd you get this stuff? Look at this orange fun. I don't even know if that's fabric. And this paper, it's got like embossed threaded embroidery. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Cute little haunted house and like a little flower. Gorgeous. Stick him back. And then in the last pocket, oh, die cuts. I always forget what I required. Oh my gosh, look at this. I love this little cauldron die. Ooh, I need this die. Cute little candy die cuts. Ghosty bat, little pumpkin. Ooh, I love these in silver. Those creepy little ghosts. Skull. Ooh, yes. Eek, scary. Love these little felty ones. Ooh, look at this cat. Ooh, he got scary eyes. Ooh, I love this tree. Little Spidey. I love this corner spider web. It's like a must-have in your stash. What die is this? How cute. Another little candy and another little skull. Awesome, awesome entry. Again, I just cannot believe. I just feel like so many talented girls come out of the woodworks and join my swaps, and it's awesome. And I love being able to see and feel and touch, and then if I am gifted a swap, like an extra one, that I get to keep it. It's awesome. I love it. I love it. I love doing this. So fun. I will leave Anne's information down below in the description box. Thank you, boo. This entry is from Johnna. She is Scrap Nuts on Instagram and on YouTube, and oh my gosh, look how cute. She made like a little Halloween sweet treats theme. This one does have a little orange package on here. See if it has my name out. I'm assuming it's for me, so I'll open up this one. But look how stinking cute. She always uses the funnest trim on these. Oh my gosh, I love this girly. So cute. Look at the little spider on there. So she added a little boo thing to mine, a boo tag, and look at this, like seriously. Like look at this black yarn, star trim, orange pearls. Look at this fun green one. So cool, girly. And then she has a little goodie on here and a little witch die cut. She's layered this up multiple times. Yes, it's a card. Woohoo! So exciting news for you, girly. It's time. But anyway, look at these cute little goodies. How cute these little like orange. Ooh, these ones are like a frosted one. Like little heart, Queen and Craft. Have fun with those. Cute little witch girls on this washi tape. What's this? Cute. Oh, Queen and Company, and it's got like little white hearts with like an orange border outline. Ooh, love that. And then she's included some little goodies. Again, this is just my package. Look at the little ghosty girl, the little cat, pumpkin, and then the little witch hat. So cute. I love Johnna's style of crafting, and she's just been so busy with work, she hasn't been crafting. So hopefully soon she's gonna start crafting. Okay, let me open this fun shred that's in there. Little balls, beads, confetti. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, this just came out. She did a spider web like backing tag. Like the gusset of the tag is coming off this spider web. How awesome is this? It is so cute. I'm missing a light. Just trying to look at everything. She's got this cute little treat. It's like a wood veneer, and she's glittered it up. Gorgeous. Look at this little treat ice cream witch hat that's actually a little shaker on there. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look, these little beads are coming out. She's some fun trim right here, and I'm gonna slide this stuff out. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Oh, she made it a clip. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? And then look at the little spider web right here. Loving your little pocket. She made a little wand. It says Wicked. Oh, she layered this up on foam. Look at this spider rosette. The tool, she added like a little purple snowflake in there, tying in all the purple. And then, oh my gosh, look at this little trim spool, and she's added like a die cuts and a little floating witch cat. So cute. I love this die. Cute little lollipop, ghosty lollipop. Some candy. Here's a little pillow box. Oh yes, a Reese's peanut butter pumpkin. I'm gonna gobble that up as soon as this is over. Thank you. And then look at this bow. Cute little boo dangle and tassel. I love this double layered, and this top piece is like a scallop. I don't know if she put multiple bows together or if there's a bow like that. So this is her bow on the inside. She put on this cute little like candy card. I think this is the doodle bug. A little double layered bow, and then she has a little cat bat as the centerpiece. Oh my gosh, look at its little green glitter eyes. So adorable. And then we have her sequin mix. She's got little ghosts, stars, pumpkin, candy swirls, green beads, seed beads. So cute. It says boo. I love the little candy bag topper. Love it. And then look at her goodie. She sent in some stamps. Says Halloween, happy haunting, trick or treat. I love this cute little bag topper too. And then this is her embellishment. And look at this, was sticking out on the top of this, you know, the top of this little witch hat. Totally reuse that. And she made a spooky popsicle, the orange strip. It's all done in like a fancy glitter cardstock. I wanted to make some Halloween ones with this case craft die. So cute, girly. And then these are her die cuts. This bow, she even had a little like spider web in the back of this. So cute. Candy carnival theme. Look at this paper. I don't know what paper you use. Look at that cute little ghost. Oh my gosh, look at this frog. She even inked up the eyes and layered it for you already. This says Happy Halloween. The baby ghost, so cute. Not every witch lives in Salem. Oh my gosh. Look at this gorgeous purple paper. Candy, sweets, spooky treats. Oh, I love it. Foil purple. And we have some cute little like circle ones. You can make these and layer these up on like rosettes and stuff. Cute little pumpkin. You can probably see them better when I lay them down. Little witch hat key. I should cut out the words sweet, candy, and treats. You could probably even like set these off so that they have an offset as well. See, like that. If you layered it on white or something. Another little ghosty, the middle one, tags, spider web. Ooh, look at this sassy little witch. I love her broom and her little cat. Oh, this is a cute die. Where is this die from? I've never seen anything like this. It's kind of like a spider web drapery one. And this very detailed spooky haunted house. Happy Halloween. Oh my gosh, girl, yes. I am so glad you are back to crafting and you were able to join. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate this. I appreciate you. I love it, I love it. I will leave Johnna's information down below. And I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.